Hello, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a review for the WaveNote AI right here. So this is an AI voice recorder, ChatGPT empowered, and it's for note taking in case you have meetings and then you have to attend meetings, classes. This AI can help you out. So we're going to unbox it and then see how we are going to be able to use it with our phones when we go to meetings or maybe when we are in classes and all that. So let's dive into the video. So shout outs to WaveNote for sending this over to us. We really appreciate it so much. Yeah, so we have been able to take the rubber off, and then now let's deal with what's in the box. So this is how it looks like, and there's this QR code right here which you're going to scan in order to get the application for the WaveNote. So we're going to come to it later, and then there's some paperwork, and then also we have the device right here which we'll come to it later because we have some more here. All right, so basically this looks like the packaging. So this is what you're going to attach behind your phone right here. So if in case you have any phone that doesn't have any of this already, you can just attach this to it. You're going to attach the device to it. So in this case, I already have one attached to it already, so I'm not going to use this one right here from the box. And then the last thing we have here is what you're going to be able to put the WaveNote inside and then put it at the back of your phone like this. So that makes sense. And then the WaveNote is just going to sit in this pouch right here, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's just go inside of this right here. And then before we do that, I'm just going to scan the QR code right here and then go straight to the App Store in order to be able to just download the application whilst we just unbox or take this thing away from the wrapper. So when you get the device, this is what you need to do. You need to scan it and then you go to the App Store like this, either the App Store or Play Store. If you're using an Android, you can go to the Play Store, you get it there. If you're using an iPhone, you go to the App Store, or an iPad, you go to the App Store, and then you're going to get your WaveNote right here. All right, so I'm just going to take it out from the wrapper now, and then whilst the app downloads. Okay, oh, I messed it up. All right, so this is how it looks like, and it's pretty cool. Okay, so there's actually a button right here. So two sections right here, so you can just press hold on this way and it should turn on. But there's one thing which I didn't see in the box. Let me just check again. The charger. Okay, that's it right here. That's the charger right here. So this is how it charges. You just keep it right here this way, you see, and then you just attach it this way because this side is also a metal or something. So you just attach it to like this, and it's magnetic, and it's just going to fit, and then you just plug it in any charger you have right here, and then it's going to charge your device for you. All right, so when you plug in the charger, this is how it's going to look like. You see there's a green light right here, which means it's being plugged in directly like this. So let me just go to the app and then see how it's going to work with this device right here. So I'm just going to sign in with my Apple ID. You can do so with your Google email, and then that's it. So once it's done signing in, you can wish to continue with your WaveNote Apple ID like that. So I'm just going to do so, and then allow Bluetooth right here. All right, so once you're done downloading the application right here from the Play Store or the App Store, you press hold on this section. You open the application and then you press hold on this section right here, and then it's going to vibrate. So once it vibrates, you tap on this section right here, and then it's going to just see the device right here. So you're going to search for it, and then your device is going to show up right here. So once you turn it on, it's going to show up, and then it's going to tell you congrats, you've been able to connect right here. So you can see the light is blinking, meaning it's connected, and that's going to make your device pop up right here. So you can see right here we have our device connected, but our battery is low, so we're just going to do this quickly. So let's say you want to make a note recording. You can see this section right here. You turn on this to this section right here to see this red thing. That means you are going to record a note, and then when it comes down this way, meaning you are recording a phone call. So in case you want to record a phone call, you make sure you bring it down. You want to record a note, you turn it up like this, and then you're going to record your notes. And then this is how you put it into the pouch this way. and you're going to still have access to the controls right here, and then you already have the thing at the back of your phone, and then you paste it like this right away in order for you to fit. So once you have it this way, you can just move forward to just go to the app this way, and then you tap on this section right here to start recording, and it's going to record anything you are actually hearing, in case it's a meeting or maybe it's a phone call, that you're going to see the recording going on this way. And that is pretty much very cool. You can just make your phone sit like this, and then you just chill. You're just going to have anything recorded. Once you are done, you just tap on recording ended, and then you just tap on add and save, and then it's going to just save right away for you over here. So you can see it showed us that there's a call, and then that means we turn it up this way, and then when we turn it down this way, we can tap on it, and then we start recording, and it's still going to show us that it's a quick note. So you can see right here, quick record notes. You tap on ended, and then it's going to show you that you recorded a note. So any of the two that you use is going to show you whether it's a call or it's a note. So once you are done, you can just tap on it this way. You can come to this section right here, and then you can just make it transcribe anything you just recorded right here for you. So you can tap on generate, and you can just do confirm this way. You can just play around with the settings later when you get it, and then it's going to transcribe anything for you just in a few seconds, like with no stress or anything. So anything you recorded from your class is actually going to be transcribed right here. So this is what I said right away when I was recording this video, and it has done the transcription for us. So let's listen. Anything you are actually hearing, if it's a meeting or maybe it's a phone call, as you're going to see the recording going on this way. So this is how it goes, and that's very, very great. You guys are really going to like it. So once you're okay, you can move forward to share it to anyone you feel like you want, or you can even rename the thing that you recorded. So let's say maybe it's a note you recorded, you can just move forward to just say maybe anatomy notes, and then it's going to state right here, and then you just confirm, and then you just come back this way, and you're going to see that it's anatomy notes you recorded. If it's a phone call from a friend or maybe anyone, you can just do so, and then you're going to see it right here. This is pretty much very cool, and I know a lot of people are really going to be shocked how this works, but if you have this in your hands, you are going to know that this really works, and it's going to help you with your productivity life in order to just make things very, very easy for you. So if you're a student or if you're a manager that you go on meetings and then you still want to have anything you did after the meeting or anything, I recommend you get this device right here, WaveNote. And then I'm going to leave links in my description, and also I'm going to tag the product in the video, so in case you want to get it, you can just move forward to just get yours, and then it's going to really help you. So let me know in the comment section what you think, and also don't forget to like this video up and also share with your friends. And without further ado, I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.